Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a step back in time with a product that blends nostalgia with modern convenience. Meet the Bel Air American Chair, a stunning retro-style armchair that's straight out of the 1950s, yet perfect for today's decor. Just look at that iconic turquoise and white color combo. This chair screams classic Americana, inspired by the golden era of the 50s. It's not just about looks though, this piece is all about blending style with comfort. Now, let's talk about how it feels. The Bel Air chair isn't just a pretty face, it's also incredibly comfortable. Whether you're setting it up in a living room, a diner, or even a catering event, this chair promises both comfort and durability. The cushioning is firm yet plush, giving you that perfect balance. And here's a big plus. This chair arrives fully assembled. No fuss, no extra work, just unbox and enjoy. Cut to maintenance. Host. Maintenance? A breeze. A simple wipe down is all it takes to keep this chair looking fresh and clean. So if you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet evening, you don't have to worry about spills or stains. Cut to final thoughts. Host. So if you're looking to bring a piece of classic American style into your home, the Bel Air American Chair is a fantastic choice. It's more than just furniture, it's a statement. Ready to add a touch of the 50s to your space? Check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Outro. Host. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best in retro and modern furniture. See you next time.